Good morning everyone, I'm Josh Mill and this is my 100 Java examples. So number 1, great. This method is just say hello when you run it. It's like basic greeting every time the program starts. Number 2, says name or string name. When you give your name, just for example, Josh Mill or Lordy, it prints Josh on the screen. It's how the program talks back with your name. Number 3 is Java fun. This one is simply returns true, meaning that the program believes Java is fun. Number 4, get initial. It returns the letter G. Think of it like giving the first letter of your name. Number 5, respond today. Respond today. This prints a message depending on what day it is. For example, if you type Monday, it might print start of the week. Number 6, repeat hello. It says hello 3 times using a loop. Loops help repeat action automatically. Number 7, set power boolean on. So this program, if the power is on, it prints power on. If it's off, it prints power off. Number 8, static object or get object. This program, it creates and gives you a new object in Java. Object represents thing that can do action or hold data. Number 9, print if true boolean value. This program, it prints something only if the condition is true. If it's false, nothing happens. Number 10, check access boolean. It checks if a person is logged in and is an admin. If both are true, it says welcome admin. Number 12, do nothing. This program is just like its name. It does absolutely nothing. It's sometimes used as a placeholder. Number 12, countdown. It counts down from 3 down to 1, usually using a loop. 13, ensure once. Make sure the message run once is printed at least one time, even if condition change. Number 14. Number 14, print class name. It prints the class name of whatever object you give. For example, if you pass a string, it prints string. 15, get nothing. It returns null, mean nothing or no value. 16, silent function. This one doesn't print or return anything. It's totally silent. 17, outer. This calls another method inside it named inner. 18, inner. When called it simply prints inner called. 19, load string type. These are 2 methods with the same name but different inputs. This is called method overloading. 20, print list. This prints each item inside a list one by one. 21, set flag. It prints whatever flag is true or false. 22, get flag. Always returns true, kind of like a default setting. 23, get fixed value. It returns the number 7 every time you call it. 24, break loop. Goes through a loop but stops early when the counter reaches 2. 25, skip 2. Loops and prints number but skips printing when the number is 2. 26, loop exit. It prints something once, then immediately exit the loop. 27. Prints a smiley face. Print smile. It prints a smiley face to make output fun. 28. Get status. Boolean okay. Return the word okay if true and not okay if false. 29. Switch char. It checks what letter you give and prints something depending on it. For example, if C equals A, print apple. 30. Safe print. It uses try catch, which means it tries to print something but can catch error safely so the program doesn't crash. 31. Try finally. Prints try. Then no matter what happens, it always prints finally. 32. Throw error. This one throws an error on purpose to show how errors works in Java. Verse 33. Print status. Prints a status like okay or error depending on the input. 34. Check null. Check if an object is null or empty and reach out based on that. 35. Return from switch. This 35. Get day message. It gives back a message based the day you type in, like Sunday or rest day. 36. Print all string or items. It prints all words you give using something called varargs, which means any number of inputs. 37. Say static. So this prints static method. Static means it belongs to the class, not an object. 38. Not overable. This is a final method, which means no other class can change or replace it. 39. Thread safe. A synchronized method. It's safe to run even in many parts of the program. Use it at the same time. 40. Print generic. A generic method that can print any type of data, whether it's a number, word, or object. 41. Main call. Runs two other methods, create and say static. It's like shortcut that calls multiple things. 42. Get okay status. Always returns okay. It's like a confirmation message. 43. Run task. Runs another task or small program that you pass to it. 44. Base. An abstract class, which means it's like a blueprint. You can't use it directly. Other classes must extend it. 45. Doable. An interface which is like a rule that says you must have a do work method. 46. Use anonymous. Use anonymous uses an anonymous class, a class with no name, to print working. 47. Run lambda. Run lambda uses a lambda expression to print lambda running. Lambda makes code shorter and cleaner. 48. Outer. Outer inner, a nested class, a class inside another one that prints inner here. 49. Simple. A constructor that prints constructor code when a new object of it's created. 50. Countdown word. A recursive method that counts down number until it reaches. And that's all. Thank you.